55-inch outdoor SYLVOX Pro Frameless Pro. So you can see how there's like no frame on here. This is an outdoor TV. It can be sprayed with water. It's sealed. You probably can't see it, but there's like a sealant in here. If we look in the back here, it's pretty thick actually, stainless steel box, so it's very durable. But you can see here they caulked and sealed every single joint in here. There's no water going to be getting into this TV. It's got some handles there. It mounts up like any other TV. It does have a door to basically make the connections waterproof. It's extremely bright. So when the sun is blaring from up there, you can still see this like you can see it now. I'm very impressed with the picture. An outdoor TV makes all the difference when you're trying to watch TV outside. I know a lot of people just try to put a TV outside, and you know how it is. During the day, you can't see that thing. The sun just completely washes it out. But this thing, you can see in the sun. It's amazingly bright. It's a Google TV, so it has everything built in, so you don't have to worry about adding an Apple TV or App Fire TV or anything like that. This is a remote. The remote is even waterproof. You can see it's got all these screws to put it in, and it's got sealant and everything. So very nice remote, very nice TV, definitely a treat. I also got the outdoor soundbar that they have. We'll be installing that as well. We'll make another video on this during the day with the sun blaring, but we just had some overcast days and I just wanted to get this video out and just say how happy I am with this TV. It's awesome.